Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Klarna to Shopify store. The first thing I want you to do is log into Shopify and then select your store. Come to the bottom left, hit settings, okay? And then come here, click on payments, and then you can go ahead and click manage under Shopify payments. Just scroll down, make sure you've added your banking information because this is where the funds will be deposited, okay? Now you can go back and scroll down. You'll see additional payment methods. Okay, click here, add payment methods. Just search up Klarna. Okay, click on it. And what I want you to do here, as you can see, transaction fee will be 2%. That's okay. I want you to just come here, hit activate. And then you'll be redirected here. Account status, you can see you're not currently connected to Klarna. So you click here on connect, it will install the app and it will set up your account. Okay, that's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.